creating purchase orders in a repair order. Some features discussed in this video are not available in all the editions of MaxxTraxx. Please visit scottsystems.com for comparisons between the different versions. MaxxTraxx makes it easy to track parts purchases and inventory by using parts purchase orders and then recording the vendor invoices. This process will track all the important details of your parts purchase procedures as well as sales and returns. To effectively track parts with purchase orders, some settings need to be reviewed in the Setups menu. Open the Setups menu and find the General column. Click on line B, Repair Orders and Part Invoices. At the tabs to the left of the window, click on Inventory Setup. Find and check the box next to Track Inventory. You can also turn on or off many other features from this window. Click OK when finished. Next, click the line labeled This Workstation Setup. Check the two boxes in the Low Inventory and Purchase Warnings Setups section. Click OK when finished, then close the Setups menu. Next, we'll see how it looks on a repair order. When you add a part that is not in stock on your shelf, MaxxTraxx signifies this with a circle slash around the part's icon. With the part notification turned on, the order parts box is also highlighted, along with the number of items that need to be ordered. This feature works for parts from your parts list, buyout quick parts, or orders you placed from online vendors. For more information about using online catalogs, please see our video titled Adding Parts Using Online Vendors. To generate the purchase order, click the Order Parts button. In the window that opens, select the parts to be ordered by clicking the Order column for that part line. Click Next when you are ready. If those parts are not assigned to a particular vendor, you will be prompted to pick one at this time. Highlight the chosen vendor and click the Select button. If your system is set up to ask to use the repair order number as a purchase order number, answer that question as well. If you've never ordered the part from that vendor, you will get a warning to make sure the part numbers are correct. The parts order window will now be open. Please note that the terms parts order and purchase order are used interchangeably. Verify the information listed and edit or add as needed. If you sourced this part from an online vendor within the repair order and need to order the part from that vendor, click the Send Order button. If you're satisfied with the purchase order, click the OK button and save it, or print it and save it. Once the part arrives, have the vendor invoice ready and navigate to the purchase orders window. Locate and highlight the parts order you received. If you're ready to close the purchase order and post the vendor invoice, click the button that reads Convert Selected Parts Order into a Received Vendor Invoice. In the next screen, enter the dollar amount of the vendor invoice you received. It should match the original parts order total. If the total is different, you must locate the difference and correct the total to match. For instance, if you were charged handling or sales tax in addition to the part price, you can enter that here. If the part price is different, edit the part line item to reflect the correct price. If everything is correct and the target amount equals the purchase order total, click the OK button. You can save the purchase order for later work if needed. If you're ready to finish the order, click either the Update Inventory and Post to AP line or the Update Inventory and Pay Bill line, depending on your shop's payment process. The system will then ask for a vendor invoice number. Please note that once inventory is updated, this step cannot be deleted or reversed. In order to undo the transaction, you must go through the process of returning the part to the vendor. For more information, please see our knowledge base article titled Invoice Posted to the Wrong Vendor. When we return to the repair order, the part that was ordered now shows as in stock. The vendor invoice is now in accounts payable or has already been paid. By using the purchase order and posting the accounting, you have a definitive record of the purchase and sale of the part. For more information about the process of paying vendor invoices, see our video titled Paying Vendor Bills. We hope you found the preceding video helpful. MaxxTraxx team members are readily available to provide personal assistance via several methods as shown here, Monday through Friday, 5 a.m. to 5 p.m. Pacific Time. Thank you for watching.